question I have for you guys. Does each one of these, is it gonna produce a tornado? Ooh, I got a mixture of answers, I'll ask again. Every single time we have this warm air and cold air meeting, are we gonna make a tornado? No. Okay, that's kind of the answer I like better. Okay? No, absolutely not. Remember, we said like 75% of these storms produce like minor tornadoes. The majority of them don't even produce tornadoes. We're talking like that 25% are big enough to cause damage, like less than 1% are making that huge F4, F5 tornadoes. Okay? Give me a 1 through 4. How do we feel on describing how the tornado forms? Any fingers for everybody? She's giving me a 1. Be careful with your fingers. Mike, Randy, how are you feeling? Any fingers for everybody? We're gonna move over towards finishing up that web question yesterday. I want to show you guys some things that actually, questions you guys had yesterday that I didn't know the answer to. Marquise. Yesterday you pointed out that one scale we were looking at didn't really have the right wind speeds. Remember it said like over 260 was an F5, and then yesterday the other storm was like a 200? I looked it up because I didn't know the answer to it. And I found this really cool chart that walks us through kind of the differences between the old Fujita scale and then the enhanced one. And so here's the old one. This is the original one. And it was just based on wind speeds. And they looked at like the fastest quarter mile the wind would have and the fastest 3-second gust. And they saw, these were the ranges. They had 260 to 370 or 17. So those were like, that was based on the old ones we saw yesterday. If we look at it now, it's only over 200. And what do you guys think changed from the old scale to the new scale? No. Okay, well the EF numbers are the same. I mean, we only went from half number to EF. Okay? Yeah, if you look at the miles per hour, our wind speeds actually went down a little bit. So, to me, one of the things that they actually did with this scale that I thought was really interesting, you go down, after each storm, they actually look at all the different damage and they categorize it all. So like these are all the things that they look at for the enhanced Fujita. And what's really cool is like they classify all the buildings and what type of damage was done. And they know that certain buildings can withstand certain damage. So like they'll look at an automobile showroom. What's gonna be an automobile showroom?
Automobile.
Oh, okay, cars. Yeah, glass. Okay. There's a lot of glass because you want people seeing the cars. That would be yeah. So do you think that would be able to withstand a lot of wind? No. No. So those would probably be damaged pretty easy. So lower on the EF scale. Yeah.
I saw people yesterday from the tornado in Oklahoma where
Yeah.
we got more than concrete.
Yeah. It's incredible. Remember I was telling you yesterday about that hospital they're designing? They have a 2x4 cannon, and that's how they tested in the lab. It's like crank up this cannon, you fill it with a 2x4, and then you just unleash fury on whatever you put in front of it. And that happens a lot because they're building these structures with 2x4s a lot of times, and they turn into toothpicks and fly everywhere, which is amazing. It's incredible to see that cannon in action. It's really fun. I can see a lot of fun with that. Like every sheet will do like car doors, windows, refrigerator, all kinds of things. Okay. They look at like strip malls. They look at shopping malls. They look at big box retail. So like your Circuit City or like your Home Depot or anything like that. They look at different sized buildings, high rise, low rise, and they see how much damage was done on those buildings because they're all pretty much built the same way. Another question you guys from yesterday. We're talking about basements. Remember we said like safest basements. Okay, safest place to go would be what about the basement or bathtub? They tell you to go to too. But what I found out yesterday in Oklahoma, even the town of Moore, guess how many of the houses have basements?
A few.
They're all like ranch.
Yeah, it's less than 10% of the houses have basements. So yeah, they would tell you to go to a bathtub because it's heavy. It's not gonna get picked up as easy. They tell you to like, you put your kids on the bottom, you put you on top, and then blankets and like pillows and stuff over you. Because it's heavy, it's gonna hold down the floor. Okay?
Well, what's it down?
Okay, Shaylee, ask it again. Okay, so Shaylee's asking, why wouldn't they build tornadoes where you have a lot? Why would they build basements where you get a lot of tornadoes? What do you guys think?
What about storm shelters underground?
Okay, well, similar to a basement, there weren't many storm shelters underground either. Why not?
Like debris scattered everywhere?
Okay, you don't want what? You don't want to get crushed, but they don't have these structures in place. They don't have basements, they don't have storm shelters as much. Why not? They live in Tornado Alley. What do you mean less debris? Okay, so if you don't have a basement, you don't have to fix a basement when it's trash.
So what's the answer?
What do you think? Too much money? Costs more money to build a basement? What else do you say? Too lazy? Ignorance, maybe, they're not educated about it. Zebo? Something's wrong with the ground. What do you think's wrong with the ground? Okay, Mike, too soft? Too dry?
Maybe there's too much water.
What's water? Okay.
Or they don't.
It's moist?
Oh, sinkholes probably?
Sinkholes maybe? Okay, here's a cool piece of info. The majority of the soils in Oklahoma, I just found this out yesterday. The majority of soils in Oklahoma, especially in central Oklahoma, are high in clay. And it'd be tough to dig in. And one of the things we didn't really cover in the soils unit, clay, when it soaks in water, does it stay the same size? No, it actually expands a whole lot. And when it dries out, what happens? Shrinks. So in the majority of Oklahoma, they don't build basements because the clays are called shrink swell clays. And when they fill up with water, they expand and they would actually crush your basement. So they physically cannot build basements, which I thought was really interesting. But I'll put down the soil. Soil like runs our life. Most important thing you guys ought to learn.
Water is supposed to play.
No, it's all soil, water. Okay, any questions? Fujita scale, damage, earthquake, tornado? Okay, this is what I'd like to see happen. You guys are all going to have your own codes. And we're finishing up the web quest we started yesterday, the tornadoes. Should be packet page 15 all the way to 17. It goes pretty quick. Anine, here's the thing you want to hear about. When you're done, come check them in with me. I'm throwing right in the grade before you can see the progress you are making.
What? No, yesterday, my grade went down.
I just put in your quizzes that I put in this morning. I'll pass those back at the end of the period.
That's not fair, because I literally wouldn't even know anything.
We'll talk.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah, that's all part of the web quest.
I was all happy that my grade went up, then it went down. Is it color worthy? Like, is it a noun? It's not?
Color words in the beginning of the year.
I thought we had two.
No.
The color word was anytime we had assembly.
Yeah, I thought that too.
Blew out and then I don't know.
Yeah, we were in there.
Today was supposed to be blue. Did freshmen change their colors to teal? Or
Yeah, that's what I did.
like officially by the school, or they just declared the color was changed?
I like yellow.
Freshmen, I like yellow
I
too.
like yellow. No, that's just.
No, not yellow.
I don't even know if it's like officially changed or anything.
Wait, teal's just, teal's
I
like
think that messed up.
aqua blue. Yeah, teal. And green, right there. Teal.
That little alarm too, it vibrates.
No, I already came back to my chair. What do I look like?
I had to say you like
My answer.
Oh, yeah. No, I don't. Oh my holy Jesus. Can I borrow it now?
But
Can I borrow it now?
Sure. They'll have you pick one each time.
No, I just bought them.
Spears have solutions, but when I had it, I was this one.
I just don't have.
Wait, what anyway?
They were water balloons.
They were throwing water balloons?
They have like grocery stuff.
If anybody throws a water balloon at me, no.
Wait, what?
No,
Oh,
no,
so you're fighting.
no, no,
The seniors?
no,
Hey, do we have to go?
no.
Wait, Anita, is that something you want to have happen?
No. If anybody throws a water, seriously, that's not even funny. My hair is straightened and my phone costs $600. So, if you throw water at me,
If it gets
you're
in my
paying for
hair,
my phone and my hair.
if you ruin my turn, I am